Today I'm going to show you a new feature for students on their Chromebooks. They are able to use a Screencast tool that's embedded in Chrome, but it's only accessible on a Chromebook. So let's get started. In the apps launcher on the left-hand corner, if you do a search for Screencast, you'll see this option here under apps called Screencast. And there's a lot of different tutorials here that students can watch, but all they have to do is just click on the plus sign right here for a new screencast. There are a few options here. You'll notice on the right-hand corner, there's a little webcam there I can see a picture of myself. And then this would be the recording to screen record. We have the full screen. And then if you wanted to do partial screen, we can take a partial screen recording. And that looks like this. So we can just drag and just record that piece there. If we don't like that, go back to the full screen. And then there's this option here, which will record just the window. So if I wanted to get just this part of the window without any of the tabs or anything like that, the option's there. And then there's some settings where I can show the clicks and the keys. I can determine what's set up, whether the camera is off or on, what camera is accessible. Right now it's showing the front camera, but I could switch that to the back camera if I wanted to. And then I just click anywhere when I'm ready. And right now I'm only recording the actual window. So I want to record my entire screen here. So now it says again, click anywhere to record full screen. And it's going to count down. You'll notice down here in the bottom of the bar, you'll see an option to stop the recording. And then there's also a drawing tool here. So if a student wanted to be able to present something and share, they can annotate with this pen here in circle. It is very limited. So the feature is just write and erase by clicking the pen again. There's not a lot of other bells and whistles that you can do with the pen feature, but it is an option. So now if I click stop recording, you'll notice down here there's a my screencast, and this was a prior recording that I did. If you click on the video, one of the really cool features about this is it creates a transcript of everything that I said in the video. And it can be edited by clicking on here and then editing the text. So there is an option to share, give it a name, and then I can keep it private and only I can access it, or I can share it with others, and it's only within the Ceres Unified School District domain. So if I copy that link can get shared out to my teacher in maybe Google Classroom, or if I'm creating a tutorial for another student, shared with that individual student. There will now be a folder in Google Drive that will say Screencast Recordings, and all the files will be living within that folder. That's how it works.